I recently received an email from the product school that said I need to be able to answer these 3 questions to be an AI PM. I'm going to break down how I would tackle these questions into a 3-part series, with the first video being write an AI-centric PRD that addresses RAG and latency. So I think it's first important just to understand what an AI-powered PM looks like versus an AI-native PM. I am an AI-empowered PM, which means I use tools to make my job easier. I'm not necessarily setting machine learning algorithms, doing a bunch of math, building out the infrastructure that stands these things up, but I do need to have some kind of basic understanding of the terms and components that go into this level of information. What do companies actually mean when they say they want an AI-centric PRD? Well, they really want PMs to demonstrate their understanding of AI system choices and how those affect user experiences. They need to be reliable, they need to be able to scale, or else they erode the whole product. They don't mean that the PM should design the RAG architecture. They don't mean the PM must tune the embeddings or select similarity metrics. But they need to have some basic understanding of the components, marry that with the user experience, and eventually you get impactful product features. So what is RAG and latency? Well, RAG is Retrieval Augmented Generation. That introduces extra network hops, embedding generation at query time, vector search, and re-ranking, which directly affects end-to-end latency or timing, UX responsiveness, and there's an associated cost for each one of these requests. So a PM owning an AI feature must explicitly address where latency is acceptable in the user experience, what the UX fallback is when latency spikes, and what accuracy versus speed trade-offs are acceptable. Because there are no decisions, there are only trade-offs in product. If you're in an interview setting, chances are they'll give you a feature that is specific to the industry. Since I'm in hospitality tech, I'll pick real-time accommodation availability and pricing. This stuff is dynamic and changes by the minute. I might ask the AI, why would this feature be important to RAG and latency? Now I'm just narrowing the funnel as I go down rabbit holes, but with my user-centric lens applied. Before you know it, I'll have enough information to populate a PRD template that can be refined by my team.